Hey guys, welcome to Imqiraas Tech. Today we are here to talk about Huawei new device that will P70 Pro. Specifications of this device is quite interesting, so let's talk about in details. The camera design is so unique and its latest trailer will surprise you. That is in the background, as you can see the design of the camera. There are 3 cameras on the back and these cameras are looking so gorgeous. There are 4 variants: Huawei P70, 70 Pro and P70 Pro Plus. On the back there are triangular cameras and it is coming with Kirin 9010 chipset, octa-core CPU with a single 2.3 GHz prime core, 3 2.18 GHz power cores and 4 1.55 GHz efficiency units. The phones are coming with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB or 1 TB storage will also available. There are a memory card slot is also available for memory expansion. Let's talk about the camera features. Huawei P70 Pro and P70 Pro Plus features triple rear camera. The main camera will be 50 megapixel, other lens will be 48 megapixel and the third one will be 12.5 megapixel. It is coming with 5050 mAh capacity battery and with surprising 100 watt wired and 80 watt wireless and 20 watt reverse wireless charging support. It is coming with Harmony OS 4.2. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this with your friends and family. We'll meet you in next video. Stay tuned and keep supporting us. Subscribe, press the bell icon, select the notifications at all.